Today we're making slow cooker ragu. Now we're gonna use lamb for this one, but if lamb is a little bit more expensive where you live, or you just prefer the taste of beef, you can use that as well. This dish is so impressive because it really takes next to no effort. It's got only a handful of ingredients in it, but it is one of the most comforting, luscious ragus you'll ever eat. One way to speed this recipe up and save money too is just visit your local butcher and ask them to prepare some diced lamb shoulder for you. I know it's really tempting to buy a very cheap bottle of red to put in your cooking, but remember it's only gonna taste as good as it tastes to drink straight out of the bottle. So if you wouldn't sit down and enjoy a glass of it, I probably wouldn't put it in my cooking. And then the world's most giant jar of chicken stock concentrate. Literally need 2 hands to pick that up. And that is the magic ingredient. And then all we do is set our slow cook mode on our TM6 or 7. Now, if you don't have a Thermomix, don't worry, you can still do this in your slow cooker as well. So after only a couple of hours, I now have the most beautiful tender ragu. All I'm doing is spooning over some of the sauce, my pasta that's already been cooked, and then put it on my plate for presentation, and then spoon some of the meat on top. How good does that look? You know, one night you can have it with pasta. The next night, maybe you would enjoy it on some mash. Great for meal prepping. I don't know, Mez, what would you do with it?
Pies.
You turn
Make
it into
pies.
pies?
Mm-hmm. Make the pies.
How beautiful is that? So impressive for a dinner party or just for family and friends. I think that I could actually try and eat this entire plate, Ben. What?